There's two factors here. What we really look at CoinShares is we look at sentiment, and sentiment really drives demand. And as you alluded to, a lot of the interest in Bitcoin is coming from institutions. When we look at trends on the trading side, on the structured product side, where we operate and manage $4 billion in assets for our clients, a lot of the inflows are coming from institutions who are allocating through publicly listed exchange traded products or funds. There is retail participation, but it's nowhere near what we saw in 2017. I think what we are seeing, where we are seeing the retail participation, is in things like Dogecoin and other sort of smaller market cap cryptocurrencies that lend themselves more to memification and, what we call meme coins or meme stocks, if you look at GameStop and AMC. But really what's driving Bitcoin, in my view, is a fundamental shift in sentiment. Ray Dalio's talking about it, BlackRock's allocating to it, Guggenheim's allocating, right. All of the major allocators are now getting in.
But how long can this last? I mean, how long can this bullish sentiment surrounding cryptocurrencies last when you have the likes of Janet Yellen, who just got confirmed as Treasury Secretary, and one of the first things she said is that there will be more regulation that the cryptocurrency industry should get ready for?
Yeah, absolutely. And look, I think Janet Yellen's comments were fairly nuanced. There's an alphabet soup of three-letter agencies that already regulate the Bitcoin industry. I think there's sort of this misconception that Bitcoin's unregulated, which is certainly false. We spend a lot of time on compliance in our organization. But look, I think what is happening is in 2020, it was a risk for investors to allocate to Bitcoin. In 2021, it is a risk to not allocate to Bitcoin. And it's not just investors, it's corporations. MicroStrategy is soaring on the back of its allocation to Bitcoin. It has more than doubled its treasury reserves due to its allocation. They just hosted an event with over 1,000 corporate treasurers in attendance. And also, I think we now have nation states starting to seriously look at what role Bitcoin could potentially play in the future of their economies. So it's not just institutions and retail, it's also corporations, it's governments, it's the whole world, and I'm really excited.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.